Can you delete a Facebook friend secretly?
Hey there, everyone. Ever wondered if you can delete someone from your Facebook friend list without them knowing? Well, you're not alone. Today, we'll delve into this topic and clarify all your doubts. Remember, managing your friend list is all about ensuring a comfortable and personalized experience for you.
What happens when you unfriend someone?
When you unfriend someone on Facebook, they are not notified. You will no longer see their posts on your feed. They will no longer see your posts unless they are public or unless they follow you. Both of you will be able to send each other direct messages unless one of you blocks the other. The person may eventually notice they're not seeing your posts or that you're listed as a mutual friend to someone but not to them. But again, they won't receive any notification.
How to unfriend someone?
Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Go to the person's profile. 2. Hover over the Friends button. A drop-down menu will appear. 3. Click on Unfriend. 4. Done. They're now removed from your friend list.
Will they find out?
While they won't get a notification, if they visit your profile, they'll see the option to add you as a friend. This is a clear hint that you have unfriended them. If they have the Friends list feature public, others might notice the decrease in number. They might notice you're missing from their friend list. So, while there's no direct notification, there are ways for someone to eventually figure it out if they are particularly observant. So, there you have it. You can unfriend someone on Facebook without them getting a direct notification. However, always approach social media actions with empathy and discretion. If ever in doubt, it might be worth having an open conversation. Hope this video was helpful, and happy Facebooking!